Hello! Today we draw school bus. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch the full video.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Yay! It's coloring time. Sky blue.
People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town.
Red. Orange. Black. Yellow. Thank you so much for watching the full video. See you soon. Bye bye friends. Don't forget to subscribe.